Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are going to talk about innate immunity. So let's start our topic with introduction. Immune system protects the body against infectious agents such as bacteria, viruses, fungi and parasites. It consists of two major branches that include innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is first line of defense that provides rapid, non-specific protection against pathogens. Unlike adaptive immunity, it does not generate immunological memory. Definition: innate immunity is natural inborn defense mechanism of the body that respond immediately to including invading microorganisms or harmful substances. It is present from birth and does not require prior exposure to pathogens to be effective. Characteristics of innate immunity. First is it is non-specific as it acts against a wide range of pathogens without distinguishing between them. Second is it is present from the birth as unlike adaptive immunity it does not develop later in life. Third is immediate response as it provides protection within the minutes to hours of infection. Fourth is no memory formation as this response is the same upon repeated exposure to the same pathogens. And fifth is evolutionary conserved, as this is found across all multicellular organisms. Components of innate immunity. First is physical barriers. Second components include chemical barriers. Third are cellular components. And fourth are soluble mediators. Now let's talk about these components one by one. First component of innate immunity is physical barriers that include skin that provides a tough waterproof barrier against skin microbes. Second is mucous membrane that is found in respiratory tract, gastrointestinal tract and genitourinary tract and it secretes mucus to trap pathogens. Third is cilia that are hair-like structures in the respiratory tract that sweep away trapped microbes. Second component of innate immunity is chemical barrier that includes lysozymes, gastric acid and sebum and sweat. Lysozyme enzymes are found in tears, saliva and mucus that destroy bacterial cell walls. Gastric acid destroys pathogens entering the stomach. Sebum and sweat contain antimicrobial peptides and maintain acidic pH on the skin. Next component of innate immunity is cellular components. They include phagocytes that include neutrophils, macrophages and natural killer cells and dendritic cells. Neutrophils are the first responders that engulf and destroy pathogens. Macrophages engulf microbes and present antigen to adaptive immune cells. Natural killer cells destroy virus-infected cells and tumor cells by releasing cytotoxic molecules. And dendritic cells capture antigens and act as a bridge between innate and adaptive immunity. Fourth component of innate immunity is soluble mediators that include complement system, that is group of proteins that enhance phagocytosis, promote inflammation and directly kill pathogens. Second is cytokines that are small signaling protein such as interleukin and interferon that regulate immune response and communicate between cells. Third is acute phase proteins that are proteins like C-reactive protein that increase during infections and inflammations. Mechanism of innate immunity. First is recognition of pathogens. Innate immune cell recognize pathogen-associated molecular pattern on microbes through pattern recognition receptors, such as toll-like receptors. Second step is phagocytosis, that is include engulfment and destruction of pathogens by neutrophils and macrophages. Third step is inflammatory response, that is redness, heat, swelling and pain that occur due to increased blood flow and migration of immune cells at the site of infection to the site of infection. Fourth step is cytotoxicity, as natural killer cells release perforins and enzymes to kill infected or abnormal cells. Fifth step is complement activation that leads to opsonization, that is marking of pathogens for destruction and lysis of microbes and recruitment of inflammatory cells. Importance of innate immunity. It provides immediate protection against infection. It prevents the spread of pathogen in early stage of infection. It activates and guides the adaptive immune system. It maintains tissue homeostasis and repair damage caused by infections. Innate versus adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is rapid, non-specific, and does not generate memory. Adaptive immunity is slower, highly specific, and generates long-lasting memories. Conclusion of this lecture video. Innate immunity plays a vital role as the body's first line of defense against infection. Though non-specific, it is essential for survival and serves as a foundation for development of adaptive immune response. A deeper understanding of innate immunity helps in development of therapies, vaccines, and treatments of infectious diseases. And this is all about innate immunity. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.